Plant bioacoustics is a field dedicated to studying acoustic emissions produced by plants. Plants generate acoustic emissions detectable with specialized high-sensitivity equipment. Plant sounds are typically ultrasonic, falling outside the range of human hearing. Research into plant sounds is a relatively new field with significant potential for discovery. Specialized equipment is required to capture and analyze the subtle acoustic signals emitted by plants. Plants produce sound through mechanisms such as cavitation within the xylem. Cavitation involves the formation and subsequent collapse of bubbles in the xylem's water column. Vibrational responses to environmental stress also contribute to sound production in plants. Water transport within plants generates acoustic signals detectable with sensitive equipment. Cellular activity, including metabolic processes, can produce subtle acoustic emissions. Specific plant functions are linked to distinct sound production patterns, offering insights into plant health. Plant sounds serve as a form of ecological communication between plants and other organisms. Plants under stress, such as drought or herbivore attack, emit distinct acoustic signals. These acoustic signals can act as warnings, influencing the behavior of other species, such as insects. Insects can detect and respond to the acoustic signals emitted by plants. Plant bioacoustics offers potential applications in agriculture through monitoring plant sounds. Monitoring plant sounds enables early detection of stress, optimizing irrigation, and reducing pesticide use. Acoustic sensors in greenhouses and fields facilitate real-time plant health monitoring. Real-time plant health monitoring through bioacoustics enables precision agriculture,